In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Shopify from Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, if you're venturing into the world of dropshipping or just want to expand your online store, integrating Printify with Shopify can be a game changer. It allows you to create custom products easily and efficiently. So let's dive right into the steps of adding those amazing products to your Shopify store. First things first, make sure you have your accounts set up. You'll want to have a Printify account and a Shopify store ready to go. If you don't have them yet, take a moment to sign up for both services online. They each have straightforward sign-up processes that should only take a few minutes. Once you've got both accounts set up, log into your Printify account. This is where the magic begins. On the Printify dashboard, you will see an easy-to-navigate interface. The next step is finding the product that you want to add to your Shopify store. Printify offers a vast catalog of products ranging from apparel to home goods. Click on the Catalog tab on the left sidebar, and it'll open up all sorts of product categories for you to explore. Let's say you're interested in creating a custom t-shirt. Navigate to the Apparel category and select T-shirts. As you browse, you'll see a variety of t-shirt styles, colors, and brands. Once you find the perfect t-shirt for your vision, click on it. You'll be taken to a product customization page where you can start to bring your design to life. Here, you'll see an option to upload your own artwork or designs. This is a crucial step, as this is what will differentiate your product from the countless others out there. Make sure your design meets Printify's file specifications for the best printing results. After you've uploaded your graphic or text, you can adjust its size and placement on the shirt. Once you're satisfied with the design, it's time to set your product details. Fill in the product title, description, and choose the appropriate pricing. Make sure to consider both your production costs and the price point your target audience is willing to pay. This is also the time to think about SEO, so try to include relevant keywords that will help your product show up in searches. When everything looks good, save your design. This saved design will be stored in your Printify account and will also be accessible when linking to Shopify. Speaking of linking, it's time to connect your Printify account to your Shopify store. To do this, go to the My Stores option in Printify and click on Add New Store. Select Shopify, and you'll be prompted to log in to your Shopify account. It might ask you for some permissions. Go ahead and approve those so Printify can work seamlessly with your store. Once the integration is successful, you can return to your saved product on Printify. You should now see a button that says Publish. Click on that, and you'll have options for customizing how the product will appear on your Shopify store. Review the settings, and once you're completely satisfied with everything, hit Publish Product. Congratulations, your new product is now live on your Shopify store. To see it, you can click over to your Shopify admin, navigate to Products, and you'll see your new t-shirt listed among your inventory. From here, you may want to take a moment to review it one more time on your store's front end. Check out how it looks, and make sure your descriptions and images appear as you want them to. Also, consider creating promotional strategies to bring attention to your new product. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a product from Printify to Shopify. With practice, this process will become second nature. So go ahead, experiment with different products, and don't hesitate to tweak your marketing strategies as you grow. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.